The six best watch OS 11 features announced at WWDC 2024. Major announced like Apple Intelligence iOS on 8 and macOS. Apple also showcased the next Watch OS at WWDC 2024. Below we list the best Watch OS 11 feature that Apple plans to bring to your Apple Watch in fall 2024. Your Apple Watch collects a wide variety of health data during sleep, such as heart rate, respiratory rate, sleep duration, blood oxygen, and more. The new Vitals app arriving in Watch OS 11 will provide a better way to take an overall look at your health. The app provides a closer look at the metrics and will even inform you when anything is out of the type, typical range. When two or more metrics become outlier, you can choose to receive a notification along with a message detailing what the change might be like to. These include causes like an elevation change, alcohol consumption, or a lines to better help you understand how workouts are affecting your body. The new training load feature will message the intensity and duration of activity. You can see how workouts from the last 7 days are affecting your compared these from the provide 8 days after many workout types. You shall be able to see the new effort rating on a scale of 1 to 10. It use data like age, height, and weight combined with workout information like GPS, heart rate, and elevation. Shall be able to adjust estimate to consider decision factor like stress or sources. You can also manually enter a score if a workout does not provide an automatic estimate. The 28 days training load takes into account the port rating and duration of workouts. First introduced announced Watch OS 10 in 2023. The Smart Sticks provides a quick access to important information no matter what watch face you choose. However, with the Watch OS 11, the future in getting even better. Instead of only seeing, you have selected a wide can automatically appear in the smart stacks based on time, location, and other feature. So before you might see a severe weather light white smart stacks now also have the option to be